Hey there, smart viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super intriguing. How to check your IQ in 2025. If you've ever wondered about your cognitive abilities or just want to satisfy your curiosity, you're in the right place. IQ, or intelligence quotient, is a measure of your reasoning and problem-solving skills, and with advancements in 2025, checking it has never been easier or more accurate. First off, let's clarify what IQ really means. It's not about being a genius overnight. It's a score based on standardized tests that compare your mental age to your chronological age. In 2025, you can start by exploring reputable online platforms like IQTest.com or apps integrated with AI, which use adaptive algorithms to make testing more precise and personalized. Step 1. Choose a reliable source. Look for tests endorsed by psychologists or backed by organizations like Mensa. Avoid sketchy free quizzes on social media, they're often unreliable. Step 2. Prepare yourself. Get a quiet environment, ensure you're well rested, and have a timer ready, as most tests take 20 to 30 minutes. Step 3. Take the test honestly. Answer questions to the best of your ability without rushing or second-guessing too much. Once you get your score, remember it's just a number. The average IQ is around 100, but factors like education, environment, and even cultural biases can influence results. In 2025, some tests even factor in emotional intelligence for a more holistic view. Don't stress if your score isn't sky high. IQ isn't the full picture of your potential, it's more like a snapshot. To make the most of it, use your results to identify strengths, like logical reasoning or spatial awareness, and work on weaknesses through apps or courses. And hey, if you're serious, consider a professional assessment from a certified psychologist for more depth. Wrapping up, checking your IQ can be a fun and insightful exercise, but always remember that true intelligence grows with effort and experience. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, stay curious.